when working with the base e, remember this is just a number, so we'll just handle it like we do with any other exponential equation. So if I have e to the power 3x equals e to the power 1, if these are the same, well then 3x must equal 1, therefore x must equal, divide by 3 both sides, and that equals a third. That will be my answer. If I look at these questions, e to the power x equals 3 to 3 decimal places. The only thing I can do now is write this in exponential form. Or you can take log on both sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this in exponential form. I'm going to say the log, my base is e, that 3 equals my exponent x. So x equals, now log base e, can be rewritten as the ln of 3. Now if you go to your calculator, you actually have a function called ln. Now some people call it ln, I just call it ln because it looks like ln, right? Ln, so the ln of 3, we'll just put on our calculator, clear that, we'll say the ln of 3, enter, and that gives us an answer of 1.099. 1.099. Our last question. So harder one, e to the power x minus 3 e to the power negative x equals 2. Now I will rewrite this, because I have a minus x, I'll say e to the power x minus 3 over e to the power x equals 2. So that this will go underneath the line as e to the power positive x. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to multiply the whole every term with e to the power x. Okay, so this becomes e to the power x squared. E to the power x squared minus 3. If I multiply this by e to the power x, it cancels and fall away. And if I multiply this with 2, it becomes 2 e to the power x. I'm going to rearrange this. This becomes ex squared. This comes out, it becomes minus 2 e to the power x minus 3 equals 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. I've got e to the power x squared and I've got e to the power x. So, if you like, you can say, let a equal e to the power x. Therefore, this becomes a squared minus 2a minus 3, which equals 0. I don't know why I'm in red now. This can be factorized. A 3, 1, minus 3 plus 1. Therefore, A equals 3 or A equals negative 1. I'm just going to carry on this side. I'm going to move this over. I'm going to move this here. So A is now e to the power x. It means e to the power x equals 3 or e to the power x equals negative 1. But nothing to the power negative 1, nothing here can give me a negative 1. So that is invalid. Okay, if I put this into log form, or what I can do is I can take log both sides. Or the other thing I can do is I take ln both sides. Now remember, because that's n, ln e to the power x equals ln 3. The x can go to the front, it becomes x ln e equals ln 3. Now ln e equals 1, and the reason for that is ln means log to the base e, and log e to the base e, according to our rules, if this and this is the same, my answer is 1. So if I have log e, or ln e, it means log e to the base e, so this is 1. Therefore, x equals ln 3, and ln 3 is 1.099. That is invalid, and that is my only answer.